First off, we're going to start with this word problem right here. So if you have not done so already, go ahead and pause the video and read the question to yourself. It says a rectangular room is 12.5 feet wide and 14 feet long. The best thing you can do at this point is go ahead and draw a picture. Say this is 14 feet and this is 12.5. It doesn't have to be perfect. And it's asking for the perimeter. So it gets much harder than this later in the year. However, it's important to know how to find the perimeter. It's very confusing. A lot of people always confuse it with the area. It's important to know whenever we look for the perimeter, we add up all the sides. So even if it gives you only 2 dimensions right here, you have to go ahead and assume the other side is 14 and the other side is 12.5. So if you add up all these sides, 12.5 plus 12.5, that's the same thing as 12.5 plus 12.5, that gives you 25. 14 plus 14 gives you 28. You add them up, and your perimeter is going to be 53 feet. And that's going to be your final answer for this first problem. We're going to go ahead and get started on the second problem. If you have not done so already, go ahead and pause the video and read the question to yourself. The key word here is square. A square garden has a side length of 5.8 meters. So the reason why that's the key word is because in a square, all 4 sides are the same. So if one side is 5.8 meters, they should all be 5.8 meters. So here's a trick. You can either add up all the sides, or because we have 4 sides, you can go ahead and multiply 5.8 by 4. That's the same thing as adding up all the sides. And you can only do that in this case because it's a square and all the sides are the same length. So if you add up all the sides, or if you multiply by 4, you end up with 23.2 meters. That is your final answer.